And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, welcome back and thanks for joining us. We are taking a look at those conditions that we will see for the overnight hours. Specifically for the Springs, we are going to be mostly clear, as well as Pueblo. We'll be around that same mark in terms of those lows as well. Pueblo, we're going to be around 55 degrees for that low tonight, and those winds will stay pretty light as we go on throughout the evening and overnight hours. As for your day planner for tomorrow, we're going to be holding on to those sunny conditions all day tomorrow, but once we get towards the afternoon hours, that's when we'll start to see those showers really increase, and especially for Pueblo too. We might stay on the drier side for Pueblo. I think Pueblo is going to probably see some more sunshine than the Springs, but we will see some isolated showers throughout most of our day, specifically in the afternoon. So this is what the overall picture is looking like right now. We are dealing with some above average temperatures for here in the state of Colorado. We're about 5 to 8 degrees above average, but we are still seeing some of those southwesterly winds into the state, but luckily we are seeing a little bit of an ease on those hazy conditions, and I think with those rain chances we'll see that ease up even a little more so. As you can see, we aren't really dealing with much cloud cover. It's really the southeastern part of the state, and even that is starting to dissipate. We could see a little bit more cloud cover once we get into the early morning hours, but I think we should still start off with mainly clear skies. If you're planning on going hiking for tomorrow, I would suggest getting an earlier start. It'll be nice and cool starting off, and we'll still have some of those partly cloudy conditions. 76 degrees by 10 a.m. That's when we're going to start to see those spotty showers by 2 p.m. though. 87 degrees, it will be warming up pretty nicely too. So once we get to that 5 p.m. hour, 83 degrees. So I'd say a maybe if you are careful about where these showers are going to be if you are going to be hiking. Let's play out futurecast to see what we're going to be dealing with. So in the morning, we're going to be mainly clear, maybe towards Pueblo, just a couple of clouds here and there. But as you can see, these showers are going to be very spotty, very hit or miss, and that's going to be your Sunday at 2:30 p.m. But once we go on throughout the day, I think the higher terrain and the mountains could start to see a little bit more of those rain chances pick up, and we could see an isolated, more severe threat for the plains out there. But mainly it's just going to be those gusty winds and those heavier bands of rain that we will see. So overnight lows for tonight, a lot of us are just going to be sitting in those 50s. As for those highs tomorrow, 86 for the Springs, 92 for Pueblo. We're going to be sticking with those 90s for the plains. And out towards the mountains, we're going to be in those mid to upper 70s. This is what your week ahead is going to look like. Sunday, we're going to have some of those spotty showers in the area, but we're going to have more of a chance to see some rain on Monday. Tuesday, picking up some of those windy conditions. This is what your day planner is going to look like. We'll be mostly clear until those afternoon hours. Pueblo, we're going to be mainly dry for tomorrow, but again, we'll see some more rain chances starting Monday. We'll pick up some gusty conditions Tuesday, and we potentially could cool down by the end of this week. Canyon City, some scattered to isolated showers on Sunday, and that will lead into Monday as well. A little bit more windy on Tuesday, and again, could see cool down starting Saturday. Woodland Park, you guys will have a little bit more of a chance to see some rain because you guys are in the higher terrain. But once we get to the middle of the week, we should start to dry off a little bit. Maggie.
All right.